Binibigyan ko kayo ng hanggang bukas ng umaga. Ultimatum ito will be outlawed. Outlawed, no? Nakakahiya yun. Police kayo, kayo pa yung outlaw. You will be outlawed if you remain in the KOJC compound. Ayaw na natin ng ganito. It has to end. And we have to stand up and speak up na hindi na pwede, tama na to. Ayaw namin ng ganito. And this is our sovereign will. Ayaw namin na pahintulutan ang maling asal ng gobyernong ito. Lahat ng Pilipino ay iniimbitahan ko, I'm inviting everyone, Filipinos from all walk of life, na bukas pagkakataon ninyong tumayo at maging hero in your own right. Mayaman, mahirap, matanda, bata, babae, lalaki, transgender, whatever. Kahit anong profesyon, magsasaka man, driver, may pinag-aralan, walang pinag-aralan, mga profesional, o wala lang, kanto-kanto lang, bukas, sunggaban ninyo yung pagkakataon na maging bayani kayo ng ating bayan. So, I hope and I pray in God's name na Pilipino. Yan ang panawagan ko sa inyong lahat. Number 1, lahat ng PNP dyan sa KOJC compound, kayong mga PNP, para sa inyo to, kung nadidinig nyo ako, and I encourage all bloggers, all media outfits na i-disseminate nyo tong aking sinasabi. Lahat, pati hanggang Malacanang, hanggang lahat, buong mundo. I-disseminate nyo, please, yung aking sinasabi. Number 1, lahat ng PNP dyan sa KOJC compound. Di ko alam numero, 2,000, 3,000. Basta kayo, lahat ng PNP dyan sa KOJC compound. Kung ang pananaw ninyo, mali yung ginagawa ninyo, tigil nyo na. Binibigyan ko kayo ng hanggang bukas ng umaga, no? Hanggang bukas ng umaga, na lahat ng PNP na ang paningin nila ay mababait sila na mga pulis, tanggalin nyo yung magazine ng baril ninyo, tanggalin nyo yung naka-chamber na bala sa baril ninyo, at sukbit nyo pababa yung muscle ng baril. And you leave the KOJC compound. You leave the KOJC compound. And you report to either the mayor of Davao, si Baste, walang kinalaman, hindi ko kinakausap yan. You report to the mayor of Davao for proper disposition, or to the task force commander, hindi ko rin nakakausap yan, hindi ko kilala, of Davao. Task force commander, the military commander there for proper disposition. Surrender your firearms there. Lahat ng police sa KOJC na ang pananaw nila ay wala sa hulog ang ginagawa nila, you vacate the premises of KOJC. Number 1. Yung maiiwan na police doon sa KOJC compound tomorrow, ultimatum ito will be outlawed. Outlawed, no? Nakakahiya yun. Police kayo, kayo pa yung outlaw. You will be outlawed if you remain in the KOJC compound. And if you want to die, fighting for your cause, sa mali na gawain, you go ahead. You believe in your cause. You die for your cause. You fight for your cause. Otherwise, you will face the wrath of the Filipino people. You will face the might of the Filipino people. Number 1 yon. Number 2, lahat ng armadong grupo sa Mindanao, lahat ng armadong grupo, MNLF, MILF, Plus Command, NPA, kalimutan na muna natin ang ating mga adhikain. Isipin lang muna natin na Pilipino kayo, tayong lahat. At lahat na rin ng FGF, Filipino Guerrilla Forces in Mindanao. All regions in Mindanao. Magsama-sama tayo, magsama-sama kayo, and you protect the KOJC compound. Ang aabutan ninyo doon na PNP, they are outlaws already because they have decided to stay. Kaya disarmahan nyo sila. And then report also, i-turn over lahat ng gamit, lahat ng baril doon sa mayor o kaya doon sa task force commander ng Davao. Ayaw natin ng gulo hanggat maaari. Kayong mga PNP, mahimasmasang kayo. Hindi pwede yung ginagawa ninyo. It ends tomorrow. Tama na. It ends tomorrow. National Heroes Day, we will all wake up feeling heroes of this republic. Number 3. Sana ba ako? Lahat ng tao sa Davao. Ilan ngayon? 3.8 million, Davao region. You protect KOJC compound and the members thereat. You protect them. 2,000 lang ang pulis doon. Palagay mo, kalahati umalis, kalahati may iwan. You protect the KOJC people, the compound. The desecration ends tomorrow. No? Yung matitira doon will all be outlaws under the declaration ng taong bayan. Ayaw na natin ng ganito. It has to end. And we have to stand up and speak up na hindi na pwede, tama na to. So, lahat ng tao sa Mindanao, kung gusto nyo, 26 million kayo, ang dami nyo. Ang focal point is the KOJC compound. Kalimutan ang religious sect, kalimutan ang mga ethnic nating ek natin. Isa lang, Pilipino tayo, ayaw natin ng ganito. We will be there to implement what is rightfully guaranteed by the Constitution, which is yung rights natin. No? Gusto natin ng magandang bansa. Gusto natin ng tamang gawa, hindi yung gagamitin yung ating PNP parang private army at they will trample on the rights of the Filipino people and desecrate a religious compound. And it can happen to any religious sect. Kay Kristiyano man, Iglesia, Katoliko, o Muslim, and it can happen. That's why it has to end at KOJC. Ang mga Pilipino na nasa all over the country, you speak up, you stand up, and show to everyone that we detest what is happening. Ayaw namin ng ganito. And this is our sovereign will. Ayaw namin na pahintulutan ang maling asal ng gobyernong ito. BP Sara, my pleadings for you. You get a Bible tomorrow, you get a Bible, you get a judge, and you get sworn in as the 18th President of the Republic. You want to stop all this wrongdoing, you want to avert civil war, you get sworn in as the President of the Republic tomorrow. And we will support you, lahat ng taong bayan na naniniwala sa tamang gawa. Sa pagka-Pilipino, we will stand up for you. Armed Forces of the Philippines at mga natitirang matitinong PNP, you take orders from BP Sara, who will be tomorrow kung papayag si Sara sa challenge, she will be sworn in as our new president and new commander-in-chief. You take orders from her. And we will support Sara Duterte, whatever will she proclaim. If she wants to continue on, she wants to put everything in order. If she wants to declare a revolutionary government, so be it. We will support her. Lahat tayong Pilipino na tingin tama ang ginagawa natin, na tama ang dapat ang dapat na umiral sa bansa natin. It ends tomorrow. It ends tomorrow. National Heroes Day. Lahat ng Pilipino, you have a chance to become heroes. Tama na, nakakapika na eh, nakakaumay na masyado. PSG, you protect BBM, protect the first family. Walang papasok sa Malacanang ng mga magrarally. Huwag niyong papasukin ang Malacanang. It is enough na makita ng armed forces natin at remnants ng PNP, yung matitino, na ang puwersa ng taong bayan ay hindi pwedeng kalabanin sa sobrang dami. Tomorrow will be a show of force. Hindi ako nakikipag-usap kahit kanino na mga concerned groups. Ang aking kinausap lang ay ang aking mga commander sa Filipino Guerrilla Forces. And we are all one